What's up, guys? Mike here. Today I got a massive treat for you guys. It is a massive growth stock that is on the market right now, and ever since they just did their earnings, they have grown substantially from the price they were at. And I think they have a very, very bright future ahead, and I think they are going to continuously grow and outperform a lot of other companies that are in the same sector. And this company is none other than Revolve Group, ticker symbol RVLV. They are in the e-commerce business, businesses such as Macy's, Nordstrom, but the things that they offer is way better than Macy's and Nordstrom. They have high ticket price clothing lines, they have clothing, and they have beauty products, they have different sector playing in the e-commerce business, and I think they are going to destroy and pretty much put Macy's and other branches out of the business the way they are headed. Their quarter earnings were absolutely incredible, and I will give you all the information that you guys need to know today and decide whether you should be buying Revolve Group or not. And the final choice is going to be always up to you guys, and you will be making the best decision for you. But I think Revolve Group is going to be one of those massive growth stocks in the very near future. So with that said, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's begin. All right, so Revolve had an incredible week the past week, and ever since they have done their earnings, the stock has been skyrocketing and trending upwards, where it was pretty much going for a very long time at an average price of about between $15 to $16, and ever since they reported earnings, they just skyrocketed and exploded. And I'm going to go over all the details you really need to know as to what is going on with this company and why I really am impressed with this company, and I see a very huge bright future for them, and why I'll be investing for them for the next few months to even a year, because I think they have a very bright future ahead. All right, if you guys want to get in right now, I think the RSI on Revolve is pretty high. It's already in the extreme. I think right now it's going to be downtrending a little bit back down, maybe around to $20 again. I think anything around $20 or less is a very, very good ticket price to get into. I already started buying this company up myself personally when it was trading for around between $15 to $16. I have several hundred shares of this myself, and I am very, very bullish on this company overall. It has been already trading above the 20-day moving average and above the 200-day moving average. So as you can see, this company is definitely on a uptrend, and it's on a upward bullish continuous trend right now. And pretty much if you buy this right now, you stick with this long term, I'm pretty sure that this company will do very well and prosper throughout the year coming up as well. All right, so what is Revolve? So pretty much they are a e-commerce retailer that is going to make some serious moves in the future, no joke. They use their own proprietary technology, which allows them to automate processes like inventory management, pricing, trend forecasting, algorithm, sorry. And their AI is pretty much leveraging data from hundreds of thousands of styles constantly regarding like clothing line, beauty products, and so many other things. And whatever their influencers pretty much is what they target is big time influencers are on social media platforms, and whatever their influencers market, they target millennials and Gen Zers and leverage commercial power of the social media celebrities to get their products and sell their niche and grow their company. Here are some of their celebrities that they target for Revolve clothing line, and I'm sure you're very familiar with the Kardashians. Here's a few of their other celebrities that they use as well. I'm not very familiar with them, but these are some of their other celebrities that they use. Anyways, because of their proprietary AI, which detects trends, they take advantage of this and cites, produces, and creates their own private label brands, and they sell it directly to you as customers from using celebrities and their social media platform. Okay, so let's break down the company and start with their unique marketing strategy that they use. The Revolve Group utilizes a network of over 3,500 different influencers who have access to millions and millions of followers on social media who actually influence their purchasing choices of their followers. Followers using influencers such as Kylie Kardashian, Kim Kardashian. These are just some of the people that Revolve use. However, Revolve is not like any other retailer. They're first actually a data science company. Okay, so their AI determines what is hot right now, what's trending, and what people are into at any given time. And then Revolve creates a similar product that aligns with those styles. And then they go and distribute the product to their influencers, who then go and distribute it into their follower systems, and pretty much who then go and buy it directly from Revolve. Now, this business model works really well because Revolve has actually been very, very profitable since 2016. All right, so let's go over to their quarter two earnings report. They just posted their most profitable quarter in history in quarter two of 2020. Yes, you heard me, 2020, even during this pandemic. Their last 7 quarters, this was the most efficient even during the pandemic. All right, it was very good despite the Rona situation. Their net income grew year over year to $18.3 million. And check this out, guys, their net income increased despite net sales decreasing, and that's only because of their operational efficiency, which I'm about to show you right now. As you can see, despite that the net income has increased, their net sales decreased, and that's only because their operational efficiency has been reduced. And you can see also the total the expenses have also decreased significantly the past quarter, primarily due to their market cuts, and that's actually very beneficial for them. Now let's go over a little deeper about their marketing. And I say the lockdown has actually pretty much helped Revolve this past quarter, but also it has potentially increased their future growth as well. Now, Revolve's brand marketing consists of in-person events like huge concerts. They also have festivals that they tend to be very expensive. And during lockdown, instead of spending huge amounts of money on festivals and concerts, they actually have shifted that money into their influencers and having them to create posts, videos on social media platforms like Instagram. Their marketing department already has seen over 1.5 million views on Instagram Reels. Not only is this cost effective for them, but it also has showed stronger attraction and conversion rates to their sites. When things go back to normal, I'm sure you'll see Revolve putting back their festivals once again, but now they have extra tools in their marketing strategy using Instagram Reels and other social media platforms as a marketing play that they did not have before. During lockdown, Revolve observed had increased sales and traction in the beauty and loungewear and accessory section. In fact, net sales for beauty has grown over 140% year over year in just July. And during their earnings conference, Revolve stated that there's a lot more room for growth in their beauty sector. And one analyst specifically asked if they'll be making their own product of beauty lines. And they said not yet, but they are definitely considering moving into that sector as well. However, Revolve's top performers like dresses and skirts definitely did take a hit, but during the conference call, they said that their dresses and skirts are actually rebounding as their beauty products is increasing. All right, let's go over some sales, which their net income has increased by over 12% year over year, which is massive for them. However, their net sales has decreased by a negative 12% year over year. But if you to look at their quarter by month, you'll see that from the first of the month of the quarter to the last month, net sales have started to increase every month, which I'm sure their year over year growth will be positive. So yes, it has decreased, but it also has been growing throughout the quarter. Revolve saw a 13% year over year increase in active customers, but the average order value did fall by about 26%. Now, this is because the beauty and the loungewear products did a lot better than their typical top sellers, like the dresses and skirts, which are usually more expensive than the beauty products. I'm not really worried about this drop at all, and I don't think you guys should be either. Just shows that beauty has done a lot better this quarter, and beauty usually is a much cheaper ticket item than the dresses and skirts, and that is why it did not do as well. But they are already, as we can see from the conference call, they are already rebounding. All right, guys, so check this out. Revolve generated $53.8 million in net cash from operating activities compared to $6.8 million the previous year, which is absolutely massive. So let's see how they did it. They kept inventory low to not overestimate demand during the pandemic, and then they kept capital expenditure at a minimum because they didn't have to purchase much of pretty much anything. And because they didn't have to purchase anything, this meant that the remaining $53 million in free cash flow, up from the $2 million the prior year. Finally, let's check out their balance sheet. They significantly strengthened their balance sheet, which was already stellar from before, but they did take out a $30 million loan, short-term line of credit, but they already paid back the $6 million of that and this quarter. So that is why you see a $24 million come from the $30 million instead. Considering what I just said, Revolve has a $239.7 million in current assets and $120.8 million in current liabilities. Now, this gives Revolve a current ratio of 1.98, and usually you want this to be above 1 to show that the company has good financial health, and as we can see from here, that it truly does, and Revolve is doing pretty well for itself right now. Thanks again for watching my videos. As always, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube could alert you when my next video comes out. Also, feel free to add me on Instagram. I pretty much post there daily, so if you want to be part of that, make sure to add me there. I also post any stocks that I'm buying that week, what target price you should get it at, and what sell price you should sell it at. And also, if you want 2 free stocks from the stock market, WeBull is giving 2 free stocks, one for just to sign up to use their platform, and a second stock when you make a deposit of $100 or more, they'll give you a second stock worth up to $1,400. Link in description below for that. Robinhood gives out a free stock. Link in the description below for that one as well. Thanks again for watching my videos, and until next time, make money with Mike.